Hi everybody. In this video we are going to learn how you can access your students' online teacher conference using Microsoft Teams. First, you may need to download Microsoft Teams to your device. If you are using a cell phone, go to the App Store and search for Teams, then install it on your Android or iOS device. If you are using a computer, download the app for your PC by going to the address you see on your screen or do a search for Download Microsoft Teams. Choose the Download for Desktop option or choose the Teams for Home option that you prefer. iOS users should do a Download Microsoft Teams search. To access your student's conference, go to the email that the conference invitation would have been sent to. This is the email that we have on record in the Western Dubuque District. You'll see the invitation. Click on it. At the bottom, you'll see click here to join the meeting. Click on that. This will ask if you want to open Microsoft Teams. If you've already downloaded and installed Microsoft Teams, that's the option you choose. You could download the window app. You could continue on your browser. Don't really recommend using that option. It can have very unresponsive results. Or you can open your Teams app and you can go right into the meeting from there. I'm going to choose Open Microsoft Teams. When it opens on the screen, you'll see something that looks like this. And if you have your video turned on, you'll see yourself in the video. And you could have some background filters if you would like. Come over to the side and click Join Now. Now, when you arrive at this screen, you're going to see that you are on hold. You're in a lobby. You're going to be waiting for the teacher to admit you into the conference. So just hang tight and wait. You'll know the approximate time your conference is, but as you know, sometimes conferences can run a little long, sometimes conferences can run a little short. You want to make sure that you give the teacher time to admit you. When you're done, you're going to be clicking Leave wherever that is on the screen, and then you'll be done with the conference that you happen to have. And that's how you access your students' online teacher conference using Microsoft Teams.